Luis na Grace. Palakpakan everyone, yes! Woo! DJ Music please.
Okay, good evening. Tonight, yes indeed, is the gathering of all the beauty icons all over here in our own barangay, Malainin, Luma, Bago. Battling for one crown, one title, and it's a pageant begins. There's a simple question that goes, who is the fairest of them all? And behind that question is the question of a true beauty. Let us all witness the metamorphosis of struggling caterpillar transform into the glowing, beautiful, gorgeous butterfly. Good evening, with a glamorous and spectacular evening to everybody. A girl who was naked into her eyes is a fresh and indeed innocent 20 years old listener who truly all the way lasts from the fascinated, majestic way. Beautiful places from my very own town where you can find the two-headed carabaos. Yes, I came from Nuestra Adorada, Immaculada Concepcion, Municipality of Naik, Province of Cavite. And my real name is Zay Luis Katigan McGrace. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only, our Miss Cosmo Philippines 2024. Bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at iyawan ang ngalan ni Binibining Maria Atisa Manalo?
Maria Atisa Manalo naman daw.
Maria Atisa Manalo na nag-iiwan lamang po ng mga kasabihang hindi ho bastos, hindi rin ho nakakatawa, ngunit isa lamang pong katotohanan na ang taong nagpapakataas ay siyang ibinababa at ang taong nagpapakababa ay siyang itinataas because we are born to be true, never, ever to be perfect. Once again, I am your candidate number 3, Miss Maria Atisa Manalo, saying that I love you all. Thank you so much.
Ayan, Atisa Manalo naman daw. Ravena pala si Atisa, ano?